What I'm working on here today is an exhaust pipe that was crudely attempted to be repaired, and there is a crack here. Hopefully the camera can pick that up. And what I'm going to do is prep this exhaust and try to re-weld that. I do have the vehicle in park with the emergency brake on. I have the rear wheels chocked, and I have it placed on a jack stand to give me a little extra room. Since many newer cars have sensitive electronic modules, I disconnected the battery before we do any welding. If you have a Honda made product, you're going to need to get the anti-theft code to reset your radio functions and your clock. Okay, it's best to get the surface before you weld it as clean as you can. So what I'm going to do is take a flap wheel and knock this cobbled welding down, and then I'm going to switch to a wire wheel here and going to clean up the metal as best I can. And it's a good idea to wear some eye protection while doing that. Okay, I got the area that we're going to weld pretty well cleaned up, and I put a clamp on there to get a good ground. I cleaned that pipe off. What I'm going to do up here is, since this is really thin metal, I don't want to burn through it with too much heat, so I'm going to put it about 75 amps. I'm using 30 thousandths flux core wire, and I'm just going to put one spot on there and then take the heat away and let it cool down, and then put another spot on there. Okay, that burnt a hole through it, so I turned it down to 45. And I was able to fill that hole in. Okay, clean that weld up a little bit. Got the slag off of it. What I did was I went up here, hit the arc here, and then just kept lapping it over to fill that hole in. And it doesn't look the greatest, but we'll keep going with the lower temperature here, and we'll go ahead and weld the rest of this. Okay, I got her welded up. I kept burning holes through it, so kept turning the heat down and then going back and forth around it. Build it up in a circular motion. It is nice and solid now. I'll go ahead and weld the other side. I'll reconnect the battery, take the parking brake off, and unblock the wheels and take it off the jack stands.